is supposed to be at 2 o'clock, but the room is ready now, so I'm going to check it out. So I'm here in Yunnan, specifically in Kunming, for just a short weekend getaway. So I have checked in at this hotel called Kunming M Hotel, right in Nanping Pedestrian Street. So this is 193 Australian dollar for 3 nights. Does not include breakfast, but it is in the middle of the food hub here in Kunming. And if you are thinking of going to Kunming and you don't know which hotel you should go, try and consider this hotel. So I'll take you around with me. But first of all, good morning, good night, and anything in between. Welcome to my channel. The room is card entry. You just have to swipe in here. It's a doorknob. There is also a security latch in here that you can use overnight if you're not feeling safe. The light is here, switch on and off, and you have to put the card here for power. It has a mirror as you come in. Mirror coming in. They also provided some robe for you, so a pair of robe made of cotton, and this is where you hang your clothes, and they provided 6 hangers. Bin next to the fridge. You have kettle, some tea, complimentary tea, cups. Oh, this is pretty cup, and the cup has M Hotel name on it as well. Water and some drink, and a bar fridge, and a welcome card with some information. Air freshener, cushion for the seat, and the seat is included in the bathtub. Got a bath bag overlooking not the city, just more buildings. You do have a blackout curtain, and the bed is a round bed with 2 pillows on each side, white cotton sheet. You've got your power plug here, and you've also got the USB-C and USB-A plug in here, and international plug. The lights are all in here. You've got another chair here, table. This is the dressing area. So hot water and cold water on the right. They provided some glass when you brush your teeth, toothbrush, comb, toothbrush, a shower cap, shower cup, disposable towel, soap, slippers made of plastic. You've got your bath towels here, 2 bath towels and hand towels. You also have disposable slippers here, and a hair dryer. Got the shower head right here, and it's a handheld. You've got hook for drying your clothes. You also have the Crab Song and JJ body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Hot water and cold water there as well. It's glass and tiled throughout, and I suppose this is the toilet, and the toilet just here, and there's wipes in here. Disposable toilet seat cover is there, bin, and a bidet. And that's it. This is called Kunming M Hotel. I got this through trip.com. I'll be staying here for 3 nights, and I paid 193 Australian dollars for the 3 nights. Does not include breakfast, but a lot of places to eat at anyway. So I hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up just to show me some support, or subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next video, but for now, it's me, truly wonderly yours. Hanggang sa muling pagtatagpo. Bye!